Hey guys, it's color art time again. I still have these beautiful pigments and today I'm using Payne's Gray, Jasmine, Love Struck and some Blue Pearl and one of my violets. So let's see what will be happening here. I'm using this polypour in all the pigments and in my own color so it dries the same fastness. Is that a sentence? I don't know. Well, it dries on the same level. Okay, let's go. This turned out so pretty and I love that we see all these layers on top of each other. You won't have that with acrylics because then the cells pop up, and here you don't have a lot of cells. Well, yeah, I have a lot of air bubbles so the white is popping up, but you see really the colors on top of each other, and when it dries it's so shiny. I also use this bling blue pearl and that's white, it looks white, but when it dries it gives a sort of blue white layer that's very pretty. And this was a test with these pigments, but you see it here as well. Maybe Alex can shoot it. It's here I use the gold bling, and when you see it in the light it's so pretty and reflecting. So I'm curious how this one dries. I will show you in my next color art video. And guys, if you want to try this, I've got a discount code for you guys with 25%, and you can find it in the description. Have a great day.